Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be updated on all my future content. Had a little something in my throat, sorry about that. All right, so the goal for this video is to find 74% of my working 1 rep max for back squats. Now, my actual 1 rep max, the most I have ever back squatted in my life, is 374 pounds. But when you follow a training program for powerlifting, technique is almost everything. So it's good to go a little lighter than what your actual max is. So I'm going to go about 5 pounds lighter. Throughout this program, when I'm training at a percentage of my max, it's going to be 5 pounds lighter than my actual max. So 374 minus 5. You can tell it's been a long week because I am out of sorts. I'm not as smooth as I usually am. Not talking that smooth right now, but all right, we're going to get into it. All right, 374 minus 5. 4 becomes a 14, 7 becomes a 6, 14 minus 5 equals 9, 6 minus 0 equals 6, 3 minus 0 equals 3. So 369. So we have to find 74% of 369 pounds. So 369 times 0.74. So again, 74% written as a decimal would be equal to 0.74. So we are going to multiply 369 times 0.74. A lot of people, as I've said in previous videos, are thrown off by the decimal point. So here's how we combat that. We multiply this number, we solve this problem just as if we were multiplying whole numbers, and we move the decimal point at the end. So we're not even going to worry about the decimal point until the very end of the problem. All right, 369 times 74, and then at the end, I'll move the decimal point over. So we start out with the digits in the ones place. It's not really the ones place, but again, we're pretending it's the ones place because we're solving it like it's a whole number. All right, so 9 times 4 equals 36, 6, carry the 3. 6 times 4 equals 24, plus the 3 that we carried over equals 27, 7 carry the 2. Cross the digit out that we carried over. 3 times 4 equals 12, plus 2 equals 14. Now, since we already multiplied the digits in the ones place, I'm going to put a 0 in the ones place here. 9 times 7 equals 63. So we're going to put a 3 here. We're going to carry the 6 over. 6 times 7 equals 42, plus 6 equals 48. Carry the 4. 3 times 7 equals 21, plus 4 equals 25. So now we have to add up both of these numbers. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 0 carry the 1. 4 plus 8 equals 12. Plus 1 equals 13. 3 carry the 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6, plus the 1 that we carried over equals 7. 0 plus 2 equals 2. Now, if we left our answer as is, we would have 27,306. But we have to line up the decimal points. That is our last step. Now, when we're multiplying whole numbers, it's always assumed that the decimal point is behind all the digits. Now, as you see over here, For this number, 0.74, it's in front of these two digits. So we have to line up the decimal points, and in our answer, we have to move the decimal points over 2 places. So I'm going to move it over 1 place. So now instead of 27,306, it is now 2,730.6. I moved it over 1 place, now I'm moving it over a 2nd place. And there we have it. So now, instead of 2,730.6, it is 273.06, or 273 600ths. So I'm going to be squatting a little over 273 pounds today. So that's about 74% of my max, and I'm going to be doing that for 8 reps. So that is my video for today. That is my first live stream of the day. I will see you all on the platform. In the next live stream that I do, you're actually going to see me lifting the weight. Leave a comment, let me know if this video was helpful, and if there's an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Have a great rest of the day, everybody.